Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
And now, me say me Melodies amiti hey. I believe in numbers. Bruni efre bibi numerology. Na o check the meaning of numerology na. Akwa say o use numbers. E de tre enyamase ana o use numbers. E de atre say bibi say ibesi. I've told you, say, for me personally, I believe in numbers because me feel say, spiritually, angelic, angels, nesa nyamano, numbers and communication. Personally, that's what I believe. If you don't believe in that, tokwa. Na we say do 4 days ni, as usual, beto abanti was say presidential candidates be eco selected the number. Inti yakwaya selection no President Akufo-Addo enya number 1. John Dramani Mahama so enya number 2. From both device, obia candidate na wama bibia eluki say yes, Nyankopon choose no, obia depicting the meaning. Na Reverend Osubempa abekasa afansem we ho a wono so the spiritual meaning of President Akufo-Addo balloting for the number 1. Na answer na me de Reverend Osubempa de bebremo no was say ye in sequential order na moti bibiase because me de ni na ebom embra balloting no course no I didn't report on that but me de ni na eba now NDC for womo ekono de womo ekan ye ne say womo no mo pe number 2 ebetumi aba say 1 womo nya number 2 no mo ahye da aba beka say no mo pe number 2 ebetumi aba say ye ntro. But omunya number 2 no there were more can say no mo pe number 2 de dada because number 2 no e too sure. Sami je mfimu ni na can say osofu bi edinkan katre wo mo. Say Mahama choose number 2 ana so mo choose number 2 a je say Mahama be wini. Inti no sa day na ye say ballot yan so mekwa koye ballot no. Na che say mpa ebo a wo mo di gu so na enye easy. Ebi mo kra no mo ye fasting. Inti wo mo koya wo mo ko select ye wo mo nya number 2 no. Na fe NDC for wo mu claim say ensofo akasa answer na trom no na fe wo mu jubilate say ani number 2 but answer na ballot ne be bakra no na NDC for any EC for NDC for no mu ni EC for e wo ballot no ase because no mo say ballot ne kra mu no EC pese wo wie mu ema eye MPP now MPP so ebe choose number 1 MPP choose number 1 no John Buedu eba bonte beka se womo de ne kreni nanka no mo pe number 4 nanka womo de aye campaign message say 4 more for nana but se womo nya number 1 a still womo hu ne say ne kre Nyankopon na ode ama omo because ye ka se wo bi number 1 wo bibie mu anata se ni ba ko no ye the best nti womo so sisi ade womo kan no nti womo ka se by 7th December ye to abawie na by 9th December Electoral Commission bobo abana senya ete wo ballot ne so no sa pepepe na ebeye in reality nti Akufo-Addo be number 1 na Mahama ye number 2 number 3 eye gum eye chiabosom na ye chiaso nti omo de omo kan no nti omo se number 1 de Nyankopon na de amomo even though they wanted number 4 but eye Nyankopon ne hyehyeye na aba nti Nyankopon wa na amomo number 1 no asema John Buedu kanu no NDC for be so say Nanado choose number 1 and that say Nanado is number 1 in corruption. Nanado is number 1 in vindictiveness. Nanado is number 1 in family and friends affair. Inti no obia yusu for the nyonko. NDC for sanso be so much say Mahama choose number 2 no na say too sure. And sanso say Nyankopon a ordaini Mahama the second term inti obia de ebe ko ama no. And you see, interesting thing is say, nanka NDC eko choose number 1 nanka also be hu de omeka. Omo so beka say number 1 there na to say ye di first, na to say ye di first no. Inti no obia de ba eya no obia eka ema ono ankasa ne ho. Nko bisa CPP number wo mu choose ya, wo mu so PPP ni na wo mu atro say yes number we choose no it is the best. Obia mu. Now we and Reverend Osubempa ono so atena se ehu intretremu a NDC for ene Ghana for MPP for edeba ono so Reverend Usu Bempa say he is speaking it from the spiritual side. Asɛm a wɔka na simple. Wɔse sɛ yɛka number 1 a ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn number. Yɛka number 1 ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn ne number no because Nyankopɔn he is one. Obi ani wa wone ne nse wɔyɛ number 1 wɔ bibia mu. It is a President Akufo-Addo choose number 1 and not say Nyankopɔn ankasa e de ne number President Akufo-Addo nti wɔse Ghana fo hu ne sɛ the ordained person nipa kwa Nyankopɔn a select no ɛyɛ President Akufo-Addo who is the number 1. Asɛm a Reverend Usu Bempa wɔka no. Na wano de wagye atum wɔse ne kra positions of presidential candidates on the ballot paper, it has a lot of consequences in elections. Asem way woko OKFM omu studio ade achi bia ena na wo kasa em se wone Kwame Nkrumah tickets here I stand to be corrected ba em se wone no ena na wo keka em se nsem way atre no. Was it the position depicts that God has chosen him for the country? Etre se Nyankopɔn ankasa eyi na kumim e de nensa a select. But you see, all these things is interesting. Oh, NDC for tre say yakatro mo say Mahama choose number 2 a tre say we win tre say Nyankopɔn a select no too sure. You ever know Usu Bempa so say President Akufo-Addo pick number 1 no and also sa Nyankopɔn a select no. Yeni anso Nyankopɔn baako ene yesom no. Nti ya den na Nyankopɔn baako obeka ansem different atre osofu we na wasanso agoka different atre osofu we ene na menti asie no. And no, na mentia. I can't think far. I can't think madness. And then na mentia asie. Iti wakaya wasi Nyankopɔn wensa is on the leadership of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And hunti Ghana fo enhu say by picking number 1 no Nyankopɔn ena a ordaining Nana Addo for another term. Wasi huko Olympics. Na Olympics no obi di first krana who ne say yes nipa ko no no ne ma ni gold nti se yakoto aba na obi enya number 1 simply it means the person is the winner. Asema Reverend Usu Bempa so eka no revealing spiritual side of this whole numbers Ghana for minim say obi to say Reverend Usu Bempa aka nsem we ya ngrofo bebre beba abonten aba bebo nechi. So let me read comment from some Ghanaians so you guys see what's going on. Ebimu ebo nechi a enye easy obi say ngo bebre na so be kasa man obviously o say by the fruits ye shall know him. Position on ballot paper has no consistency pattern for anyone to draw any solid reason for winning an election. The electorate and God will speak to that. Stop the hallucination. Tasema will be a catcher Reverend Usu Bempa ne say. Sabe, yakasa will be a hallucinator. I don't know how to explain hallucination in Cree, but just say adia any ho na we ni so and then friend hallucination. In Tasema will be a can say Reverend Usu Bempa hallucination a channel or hallucinati because numbers our ballot paper so there and try. So that's what someone is also saying. That's what someone is saying. Obinso is saying, because of your actions, Christians are always ridiculed because of your stomach and money conscious prophecies. Inti asema will be can say, in some say ya Reverend Usu Bempa wakano, and no nam so emma sebe nkrofo na say wo sorry a no more attack Christo no because sebe ebia na Reverend Usu ni bako na asem wakan ebia na Reverend Usu Bempa ne fu bi nti e na wo hye dan keka ansem we obi also say God is not voting. God did not collapse that old church. Seek the message. Akufo-Addo is selling snow to Eskimos, salt to slacks, and sugar confetti to Ghanaians. Me I say me never quick me I don't even understand. Now obi say if Akufo-Addo takes instruction from this man to govern the country, then that explains the challenges befalling the country. Hey, Monso dear, Mokasao. I'm searching for one commenter ebia I say I say 1 or 2 we want a peaceful Ghana where everyone can sleep with both eyes closed. Asema will be air canon. Let me see. I say this. Hey, I say Akufo-Addo was in first position in 2008 and he failed, so it will happen again. Asema will be so air canon. I say the Christian God is so cheap and too low. Asa, if you mean read it. I say, why is God not revealing the cause of numerous accidents and death that have rocked this nation? Or your God is only interested in Nana-Addo becoming president? Asema will be air canon. Hey, I say comedian. I say you again. You don't work for God. Just say, "Ingo for a chanichi." But Montreal Madrid, comment box in the moment. That's it.